Today, we're diving into the magical world of apple cider vinegar, uncovering some incredible health benefits that you probably never knew about. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things health and wellness. Let's jump right in. Introduction to apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has been used for centuries for various purposes, but did you know it's more than just a kitchen staple? Beyond its culinary uses, ACV is a powerhouse of nutrients that can offer a myriad of health benefits. Hippocrates, who is known as the father of modern medicine, used apple cider vinegar to treat everything from coughs to cuts, and yet, it has remained a popular home remedy since ancient Greece. Let's explore. Digestive health. One of the most remarkable benefits of ACV is its positive impact on digestive health. The acetic acid in ACV promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, aiding digestion and preventing indigestion. It's also been linked to helping with issues like bloating and gas. Weight management. For those of you on a fitness journey, listen up. Studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may assist with weight management. It helps regulate blood sugar levels and increases feelings of fullness, which can be beneficial for those looking to shed a few pounds. Blood sugar regulation. Speaking of blood sugar, did you know that ACV might play a role in regulating it? Some research indicates that it can improve insulin sensitivity, making it a potential ally for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing a condition. Heart health. Now, let's talk about heart health. ACV is believed to have a positive impact on cardiovascular health by helping to lower cholesterol and blood pressure levels. Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial, and ACV might just be a small but mighty addition to your routine. Body detoxification. The natural detoxifying properties of ACV may help cleanse the body by promoting the elimination of toxins. Antimicrobial properties. ACV exhibits antimicrobial properties, potentially helping to fight off harmful bacteria and infections. Remember, while ACV can offer numerous advantages, it's essential to use it in moderation. If you have any health concerns or conditions, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.